Good morning, dear students. Today in class plus one, we are going to discuss next poem, The Laburnum Top. This poem is composed by Ted Hughes. Okay, so before we go to the poem, let's get to know what is laburnum tree. Laburnum tree, that is a short tree which with yellow flowers and poisonous seeds. This is the definition of laburnum tree, and in this one we have second character number one. We have laburnum tree, as the title itself says. Top means the highest point of the tree, and then goldfinch. In this one we have a bird named goldfinch, means a small singing bird with yellow wings. Okay, so in this one we have two characters. So before we go to the text, let's have a discussion commonly about the poem. See, opening. In opening, there is a tree. Okay, this tree, laburnum tree, and we are talking about the top. Okay, so this tree is in the opening. It very silent. Okay, in the beginning of the poem, this particular tree is silent, and it is the month of September. Sunlight, and all the leaves of this tree are yellow. It means, what can you say? Generally, yellow leaves we find in which season? Autumn season. Okay, so this is the opening scene in which the poet talks about a silent tree, and it is September month, and the time is afternoon. Okay, and the yellow, this one has yellow, you can say seeds, sorry, leaves, and all the seeds of this they have been fallen. It means it's just a tree only. Now in second stanza, middle part of the poem talks about, suddenly a bird comes, goldfinch. Goldfinch bird comes, and it sits on branch of a tree, started making noise, means chirping. Then uh, the with the imagination of his mind, the poet converts this goldfinch bird into a lizard. Okay, and the lizard, with his alert body and sleek body, enters into that. See, enters into this particular tree. She enters with a thickness. Okay, and as this bird goes inside to that particular tree, it started making some noise, vibrations, and the whole tree starting vibrations. Got it? The whole tree starts vibrating, and it comes like a family. Means this goldfinch bird is very related to that tree, and after some time, after making so much noise or vibration in the tree, the goldfinch birds comes out here. See, goldfinch birds enter like wizard, because the thickness has not been compared to goldfinch bird. That's why the lizard is being converted by the poet, and this particular lizard gets into this tree and comes out of the top. As the poet itself says, it's a top of laburnum tree. And as this bird comes out of tree, it comes in stanza number 3, ending. There was a strange strange you can say chirping, whispering comes out, and she comes out of the top of the tree and then flew away. The bird flew away. See, the birds entered there and then comes to the top and then flew away. And what is the condition of the tree right now? Again, it became silent. Okay, this is the content. I just repeat. In the beginning, the tree is silent. It's afternoon time, September month. All the leaves they have been yellowish, and all the seeds they have fallen. Got it? Second one, the bird comes. The bird sits at the branch and started making noise or chirping. Then with the imagination of his mind, the poet changes this goldfinch bird into lizard, or makes him as sleek as lizard, and lizard enters into the log of the tree, comes to the top of the tree, and then flew away. Okay, and lastly again the tree becomes silent. Okay, what is the similarity in the poem? In the beginning of the poem the tree is silent, and in the ending of the poem the tree is silent. Only the activity done in the middle part only, and that is done by goldfinch bird. Let's have a look on the text. The laburnum top by Ted Hughes. See, the laburnum top is silent. Laburnum top means the tree is silent, quite still, again silent. In the afternoon, yellow September sunlight. Month is September, time is afternoon, it's a sunlight, afternoon time of September. A few leaves yellowing. Some leaves of the tree, laburnum tree, are yellowish, all its seeds fallen, and there is nothing, means no seed is on the tree. Beginning, done, silent, September month, afternoon time, sunlight, all the leaves they have been yellow, and all the seeds they have been fallen. Then stanza number 2. Till the goldfinch comes. Next time is what comes? Goldfinch bird comes with a twittering chirp, means making noise, chirping. A suddenness, startlement at a branch end. When the bird comes, suddenness means silence at a branch end. The silence disturbed. Then sleek as a lizard means the goldfinch birds becomes as sleek as a lizard, and alert, very active, and abrupt, very fast. She enters the thickness. The goldfinch bird enters into the log of the tree, and a machine starts up. Machine starts up means the tree starting creating noise, vibrations, trembling of chittering and tremor of wings. Tremor of wings, vibration of wings, of trilling. Trilling means chirping. The goldfinch bird chirps into the log or the tree, and there's a vibration, there's a tremor of wings. The whole tree trembles with trills. The whole tree started vibrating, trembling. It is the engine of her family, of her family. Whose this is her what? The goldfinch bird. This is the complete family that is being created noise in the tree. She stalks to add fuel. Means she means what? Goldfinch bird. Goldfinch bird adds something fuel to its fuel, then flirts out to a branch and then comes out of a branch. Means on the top, showing her bad face identity mask, and then she shows her mask means the covered face with the something left by the tree inside it. Then okay, then third stanza again. Then with airy delicate whistle, then with strange whistling sound, chirps, whispering, the bird chirps and whispering, she launches away, she flees away. Okay, towards the infinity, towards the sky, infinity. Okay, this one, got it? Silent, activity, again silent, and the laburnum subsidizes to empty, and again the tree becomes silent. Okay, dear students, this is over. A very short poem it is, but very meaningful. But here Ted has just to show that how the nature is being loved by some other parts of the nature, like tree is also natural beauty and the bird is also natural beauty. When they get together, they turn into a family, and again they become alone. Okay, whenever the natural things are being uh, showing in a togetherness, they're really being liked by the people and themselves. Okay, so in next video we will be discussing the question answer of this particular poem as well as the theme. Till then, do reading and take care. Thank you. Goodbye.